Welcome back to another Linux command tutorial. In this video, we'll go through essential commands for navigating and managing directories in the Linux terminal. First, check your current directory by using the pwd command. This will display your present working directory. Next, list all existing files and directories using the ls command. This allows you to see the contents of your current location. Now, let's create a new directory using the mkdir command. Type mkdir mydirectory. This will create a folder named My Directory. To move inside this directory, use the cd command, cd my directory. Now, you are working inside the My Directory folder. If you need to go back to the parent directory, use the cd. Command, cd ... This will take you one step back in the file structure. And that's it. You've successfully navigated and managed directories in Linux. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.